वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम हमारे चैनल में बनेगा आटे का हलवा यानी कि कड़ा प्रसाद। वी रिक्वायर 3/4 cup of sugar. According to your taste, you can adjust. 1 cup of water from that same bowl. Now we have to bring it to the boil so that the sugar is being dissolved completely. You can even also add a little bit of cardamom if you like the taste. It enhances the taste actually. Now we require 3/4 cup of Desi ghee and 1 cup of wheat flour. Initially we have to melt the Desi ghee first, that is a clarified butter. Once it been melt completely, we are going to add our wheat flour and we have to cook the wheat flour until the color changes to the dark brown. We have to mix it up, but keep the gas flame low or it will burn the entire thing. Let us see. Now still the sugar is not dissolved completely. It will take 3 or 4 minutes and by that time the sugar will be dissolved completely. See, by adding the cardamom, the color of the sugar syrup has also been changed and it gives us the nice smell. The color has started changing, but still we need the dark shade, so we will keep on stirring it up. Now can you notice the change in the color? Now we are going to add the sugar syrup and you have to be very quick or lumps will be formed and that is not good while eating. So quickly you have to keep on stirring it unless and until the sugar syrup is being completely absorbed by the wheat flour. Within 30 or 40 seconds it will be completely absorbed. See how it is starting thickens at the end, and now it's almost done. Even if you want, you can add a little bit of dry fruits, but it tastes even better when it is served just like this. We need to put the gas flame off and we are going to serve it up. It's done.